In a world where water scarcity threatens our crops and our future, one humble fruit seed is stepping up to save the day. Meet the mango, sweet, juicy, and now revolutionary. At Bihar Agricultural University, scientists have discovered a way to turn discarded mango seed kernels into something extraordinary. A hydrogel that can absorb up to 4 times its own weight in water. This hydrogel acts like a sponge in the soil, locking in precious moisture and slowly releasing it to plants when they need it most. For farmers in drought-prone regions, this could be a game changer, reducing irrigation needs, cutting costs, and protecting crops during dry spells. And here's the best part. It's made from agricultural waste. That means fewer mango seeds in landfills and more sustainable farming practices for the planet. From fruit waste to water-saving wonder, the mango seed hydrogel is proof that innovation can grow from the most unexpected places. If you believe small ideas can make a big difference, share this video and spread the word. Because the future of farming might just be hiding inside your fruit bowl.